Okay, again, we're on 2E from the 0.2 green worksheet. And as I was saying, we're looking at two different teams, or two different sides of the field, where here's like the middle of the field. We want one team to line up on one side, one team to line up on the other side. Anything with a letter in it should be over here. Anything with a I hate cursing. Anything with a number in it should end up over there. All right? So letters on the left, numbers on the right. Typically. Letters on the left, numbers on the right. Is it a big deal if they decide today they're going to line up on different sides? No, as long as they're on different sides, right? So if my team plays your team, actually, they do switch sides at the quarter or at the end of the half, right? They do switch sides, so that's okay. But you really want to separate your letters versus your numbers. So anything with a P in it needs to come over to the left. Anything without a P in it needs to go over to the right. And you get letters and numbers to move by doing the opposite of what they are. For example, that 9P is negative. Let's add it to get rid of it. All right? The 9P is negative, so I'm going to add 9P to both sides to make it move. By adding 9P to the right, there's no more P on the right. Okay, so here we go. And if all that's left over there is a negative 21, we are getting close to our goal of numbers on the right. Nothing with a letter in it. So this got canceled. But you can't just add 9P to the right without adding the 9P to the left. And what do you get? 12P. And I'm going to put the 12P, then the minus 14. Now, there's a plain old number on the left that doesn't belong there, because we said letters on the left. It's the minus 14. So you do the opposite of what it is. It's a minus 14, so let's add it. It's a negative 14. You're subtracting 14, so you do the opposite. I'm hoping for most of this is like a review. Things are saying, I think people are going, oh, okay, yeah, I remember that. I just needed a refresher course on this. So here we go. These eliminate, leaving me with 12P, and I'm very close to my goal of having a letter on the left. On the right, I have negative 7. The only thing on the left that isn't a letter is the 12. How are they bonded? What operation right now? Multiplication. And what's the opposite of that? Division. You break this bond with this. So you have to do that to both sides. And you get P equals negative 7 12. All right? That would be appropriate.